Okay, I can see Mahi has joined. Welcome to Me in Math live session. Today is 14th September and we are here once again to meet you all. So, how many of you are excited for today's session? Just let me know. Hello, please type your name. The one who are joining, please type your name so that ma'am knows who all are joining. Okay. Hello, Mahi. How are you? Good to see you once again. Come on, kids, join quickly. Hello, Thea. A very good morning to you also. So, Thea and Mahi, you were waiting for a long time, it seems. So many messages I can read. That's good. Okay, let the students join and we'll be starting in some time. By the time, just let me know what did you do yesterday and today morning also. Did you do some studies also in the morning or you just got up late because it's Sunday, na? Yes, I can see Mahi. You are the first one who joined. Thank you, dear. So, who knows what is special about 14th September? Anything special about 14th September? Let me see if you can guess. Okay, waiting for your answer. Any guesses? What is so special about 14th September? If you're going to tell me the special occasion today, I'm going to give you 1 star. Yes, yes, for that only. So Mahi seems that she has enjoyed a lot. Oh, really? Thea, it's your mother's birthday. So that has to be special for you. Wish happy birthday to your mom from our side, and you're going to enjoy this day. That's so good. Something else is also special today, if anyone can guess. Oh, so I'm going to wait for the answer. Let me see. I'm not going to say the answer so easily. Okay. Yes, yes. We are going to announce the star students also. Let all the other students join very quickly. Okay, which is your favorite topic in maths? Thea and Mahi, which are the favorite topic in maths till now, whatever you have learned? Which topic do you like the most? So see, Thea, Mahi is also wishing your mom happy birthday. So good, na? Okay, so Thea's favorite topic is geometry. You have you have learned geometry in school, it seems. That's why it's becoming your favorite topic. So Mahi, what is your favorite topic? Mahi is also going to write very soon that what is her favorite topic. Waiting for Mahi and other students to just type down. By the time, keep on thinking. Okay, yours is fractions. Very good. So we are doing fractions only. So when your favorite topic is in front of you, you enjoy the class more, right? Okay, so I hope the screen is visible to all of you. In me and math, it is fractions. It is fractions. Satya, a little typo mistake. No worries, I can understand it is fractions. Yes. So we are in the third session of fractions, and very soon we are going to start. But before that, let me announce the star student of the week. Star student of week 1 of September. Let's see who is the star student. Riyansh Bani, star student of week 1. Congratulations, Riyansh. Oh, one more student we have, Anya Pathak. Congratulations, Anya. Congratulations once again to both Riyansh and Anya. So keep on doing like this, keep on excelling, and one day all of you are going to be star students. Keep on trying. So congratulations to both the students, Riyansh Bani and Anya Pathak. So students, you can also congratulate them in the chat box. You can type a congratulations message for both of them, and one day I can see your picture also over here, and you can also become the star student. Although you all are star students for us, and if you do your homeworks and all regularly and get good marks, you can be the star student of me and math. Very good. Okay, so let's start. Oh, before starting fractions, let us have some mystery moment. Who all keep on waiting for the mystery moment? Okay, Priya is also Thea is also congratulating the students. And now we have in front of you in the screen a small little mystery moment for you. Let us solve this. If you can see the screen properly, just try to read two numbers multiply to make 36 and add to make 13. What are the two numbers? There are two numbers. When multiplied, they give you 36, and when added, they give you 13. So you have to guess the numbers. Quickly type the answer in the chat box. Thea, Mahi, and all the other students, you have to type the answer in the chat box. You have to guess the numbers. When multiplied, it gives 36, and the same numbers when added, they give you 13. Okay, Now, Mahi, get on to work. Let's solve the question. So, let me see who is the first one who is going to answer this. You have to take any two numbers, which on multiplying gives you 36. And when you add the same numbers, you get 13. So I think Thea, Mahi, and all the other students are thinking and they are very quickly going to give me the answer. Oh, yes, I have got the first answer from Thea, 9 and 4. Thea has given me the answer 9 and 4. Oh, let's see what are the other students' answer. Then I'm going to disclose it, whether your answer is correct or not. Hello, Mehul. Good morning. Is it Mehul by the name Mehul Maru or any other name? Is Mehul your good name? Just type it in the chat box. Okay, Tia, I have received your answer. So you have to take two numbers to get an answer of 36 when the numbers are multiplied, and when the same numbers are added, you get 13. Quick, students. Okay, so Khushi is your name. Okay, good morning, Khushi. Mahi, you also have given 6 multiplied by 6. Okay. Mahi, just think about it once more. Can there be any other numbers? 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. That's very good. But we have two parts of the question. So both of them should be proved. Okay, Khushi has also given me the same answer, 9 and 4. So let's see. Okay, shall I now write the answer or you are going to think about it once more? One more minute I give you to guess the correct numbers. Mahi, think about it once more. First part you might have got correct, but there is second part also. When the numbers are added, they must give 13. Thea, Khushi. Okay, now Mahi has changed her answer. Let's see. I'm going to just write down over here. So all the students have given me 9 and 4. Let's see. The first part, two numbers multiplied to get 36. So when we multiply 9 and 4, we get 36. And when we add 9 plus 4, we get 13. You can write it the other way around also. 4 into 9 is also 36 and 4 plus 9 is also 13. Any way round you can write. So 9 and 4 is the correct answer or not. Let's see. 4 and 9. Yes, absolutely correct. Very good. Well done, Kushi. Well done, Thea. Well done, Mahi. Well done. Very good. Very good attempt by all of you. Perfectly all right. So let's come on. Let's see what is our mission for today and what we are going to master on. Which are the topics of fraction which we are going to master on. Let's see. So I have three topics which we should know by the end of the class today. Conversion using visuals, mixed to improper, and improper to mixed. We have to learn about conversions using visuals. We have to learn about mixed fraction to improper fraction and we are going to convert improper to mixed fractions. Right? Who all are ready to do? Let's start. I'm very excited to make you learn all these topics. So how much you are excited? Give me a thumbs up if you are excited to learn all these topics. You can give me a thumbs up. Yes. So Thea is ready. Thea is ready to learn. What about Kushi? What about Mahi? What about the rest of the students? Any symbol will let me know that you are ready to learn. Quick students? Okay. So very first topic I am going to do is let's learn about improper fractions. Okay. Improper fractions. Let's recollect. What is improper fraction? When the numerator is greater than the denominator. That fraction is known as improper fraction. Okay, who knows about improper fraction? Quickly tell me. Have you read it earlier? Okay, fine. If you have read it earlier, then you can very quickly give me an example also. 2 by 3 is not an example of improper fraction. You know what? We must have numerator greater than the denominator. Okay. So I have an example over here. 7 by 3. Okay. So here you can see 7 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. In the same way, you can give me some more examples. Okay. Mahi, 2 by 3 is incorrect. When the numerator is greater than the denominator, that fraction is known as improper fraction. Okay, here the denominators are not same. Okay, there is a group of fractions where the denominators are not same. Those are unlike fractions. So here we are talking about improper fractions where the numerator is greater than the denominator. See, I have written one example 7 by 3 where you can see the numerator is 7 and the denominator is 3. So yes, numerator is big, denominator is small. Yes, now it's correct. 6 by 4, 3 by 2. Perfect. Now it's absolutely correct. Okay, Khushi, your answer is correct. Thea, your answer is also correct. And even Mahi, your explanation is also correct that when the numerator is big and the denominator is small. Very good. Well done. So you have understood what is an improper fraction. This was just a revision where we could see what improper fraction means. Okay. So Mahi has also given me the correct answer 5 by 4. Perfectly all right. So moving forward, let's see. So, okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to understand improper fractions using visuals. You know what are visuals? When we show some pictures, or we represent the fractions using the pictures. So I have a picture over here where there is a circle and it has been divided into four parts. Okay, and there is one more circle and this is also divided into four parts. Okay, so how do we understand that what is the fraction? So when we are representing the improper fractions, we have to keep some points in mind. We have to check what is the denominator. Okay, so what is the denominator? We can easily find out what is the denominator. The number of parts we have done to the circle, that will be the denominator. Okay, so the number of parts we have done to the circle is how many parts? How many parts we have done to this circle? Just check out how many parts we have done to this circle. Okay, I'm getting a lot of answers. Khushi, just try out once again. Even Thea, you also have to try out once again. Okay. So the number of parts the circle has been divided into is 4. So I'm going to write this in the denominator part. Okay, I'm going to write it at the down in the bottom part. Okay, maybe I'll write it a bit in the middle so that it's visible to all of you. Uh, I'll write it over here. Okay, so 4 because 4 parts has been done to the circle. So this is the denominator. Now what about the numerator? What will be the numerator? Okay, so now I am going to shade some parts. See, the parts, these are shaded. How many parts are shaded? One, two, three, 4, and in one more circle it is 5. So there are 5 shaded parts. This 5 will be written in the top of the fraction. This is the numerator. Okay. So our fraction is 5 by 4. Whenever we are representing the improper fraction, we need to keep in mind what is the denominator. Okay, so denominator can be just predicted by the number of parts we have done to the object. Okay, so it is 4 parts. One circle we have taken and we have done 4 parts. Another circle we have taken, we have done 4 parts. But we are going to write that 4 only once. And it's not 4 by 1 or 1 by 4. That is not correct. 5 by 4 is absolutely correct. Khushi. So now you keep in mind the shaded portion. How many shaded portions are there? One, two, three, four, and in the another circle, take that also into account, 5. Together, take all the shaded parts from both the circles, and that is going to be the numerator. So it will be 5 by 4. Okay, we are going to do some more questions. Don't worry. If you don't understand right now, we'll be doing it some more and surely you are going to understand. Okay, moving forward. So you can see a rectangle over here. So very first thing, you have to see how many parts is done to the rectangle. How many parts is done to the rectangle? Count the number of parts done to this rectangle. Count the number of parts done to the rectangle. Quickly count the number of parts. See, it's visible on your screen. Okay, very good, Thea. Your previous answer was absolutely correct, 5 by 4. Yes, Mahi, your answer is also correct, 5 by 4. Now we are in the next question. Let's observe the rectangle given on the screen and count the number of parts made to one of the rectangles. Okay, now Khushi is giving me the answer. So we have made one, two, three, four, five. Five parts to the rectangle. In both the rectangle, five parts are done. So I'm going to write this five in the denominator. The number of parts done will be written in the denominator. Okay. And the number of parts shaded. How many parts are shaded? One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 parts are shaded. So this will be the numerator. It's so easy. It's so easy. I'm telling you this because you are giving me the answer just looking at the picture only. So it is so easy for you to represent the improper fraction using visuals, right? See, Khushi has also given me the answer. Even Thea, even Mahi, all of you have given me the correct answers. Still, all the students are typing the answers. They are giving me the correct answers. Very good. Very well done, all the girls. Very well done. So these girls gang are really doing good, isn't it? What do you think, girls? Perfect. Very good. Okay, let's move on to the next set. Okay. How do we understand what improper fraction has been represented over here? What improper fraction has been represented over here in the next picture? Let the picture be visible to you in a moment. Yes, now the picture is visible to you. So you can just find out. There is a picture of the watermelon. Okay. And some parts are done. So what will be the denominator? First of all, tell me what will be the denominator of this fraction. We have to represent this into improper fraction. So what will be the denominator? Only the denominator. Don't tell me anything else. Only tell me what is the denominator. How will you find out? By the time you have learned. Okay, so one, two, three, four, five. Uh, uh, a little bit of correction is there. Khushi, just look into it and think about the denominator once again. Think about the denominator once again. Just have a look to the picture and see what will be the denominator. Still waiting for your answers, girls. Try out once again. Yes, Thea, if you think you can tell me the answer, you can always type the answer in the chat box. I'm not going to write the answer right now because I'm waiting for you to give me the answer so that I can make out whether you have understood or not. Okay, so Thea is there with the answer. Great. Thea has given me the answer 6 by 5. Okay, so see, the number of parts done to the watermelon is one, two, three, four, five. Yes, this is 5 will be the denominator. Okay, I'm going to write over here 5. 5 is the denominator. And if no parts are done in this, it means this is also 5. This is also 5 parts. You know how? Let me just change the color and tell you this, how we are going to do this. Okay. So you can see these are all 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 5 is equal to what? 1. All the 5 parts are here. So we are going to take all these 5 parts and this one part. What is 5 plus 1? It is 6. So 6 will be the numerator. When we have taken one whole, it means it is divided into 5 parts as well. And then that 5 parts and including this one part from the other object, that will make 6. But the division of the denominator is same in both the pictures. Okay. If it is not done in this picture, it means it is 5 by 5, which is always equal to 1. So yes, Mahi, your answer 6 by 5 is correct, not 1 by 5. So those who have given me 1 by 5, please do the correction of the answers. It is 6 by 5. You can see we have represented the picture in 5 different parts and we have counted these 5 parts including this one, and that makes it 6. Yes, now it's correct, Kushi. 6 by 5 is absolutely correct. Hope you have understood this. All of you have understood this? Okay, we are going to do one more question. Let's see. I hope the screen is visible to you now. So just as the previous question we have done, first of all, you are going to tell me what is a denominator. Okay. You are going to tell me the denominator, then only I'm going to write down. Mahi, just have a look in the picture and tell me, yes, Tia, you are also correct for the previous question. Okay, so just tell me the denominator, the number of parts done to the object. It seems like a cake. Who all like cake? I like it very much. Seeing the cake, I feel like eating it. Anyways, but now it seems we have to do some work. So we have to find out the number of parts done to the cake. Let's count the number of parts done to the cake. That will be our denominator. Okay, quickly count the number of parts. Waiting for your answer. Okay, so I am there with the first answer. Uh, Khushi has given me the first answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Absolutely correct. 6 will be the denominator. 6 is the denominator. Okay. And what will be the numerator? Yes, the same 6 parts have been done to this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. They have done 6 parts to this also. Okay. So we are going to count all these, take into account all these 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we are going to take these 4 shaded parts. The number of shaded parts will be the numerator. The number of shaded parts is equal to the numerator. Okay, so the number of shaded parts is 6 over here and 4 over here, 10. So 10 by 6 is the improper fraction represented in this picture. Very good. So 10 by 6 is the improper fraction. So those who have given me the correct answer, absolutely, you all are amazing. So Khushi, Mahi, Thea, all of you have done a great job. Very good. Okay, so yes, you want a pizza also. Let me see if I can get a pizza for you. We had earlier eaten a pizza, isn't it? So let's do one more. Uh, can we just represent 5 by 3? How can we represent 5 by 3? Let's see. How can we represent 5 by 3? Okay, I'll be taking a circle over here. Okay, and I'm doing 3 parts to this circle. 1, 2, 3. But I need 5. So I'll take one more circle and again I'm going to divide it into 3 parts. Okay. So now I can take 5 parts from here and I'm going to shade the 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is my representation of 5 by 3. Can you see the work I have done on the side of the picture? How do we represent 5 by 3? Yes, uh, Thea and Mahi, for which one you are saying 9 by 5? Actually, yes, 10 by 6 is the correct answer, Thea. And I have represented 5 by 3 also over here. I have represented this 5 by 3 fraction over here. You can see it. Perfect. Very good. So this is how you can represent the improper fractions. The denominator, whenever the denominator is given, you can divide the object into that number of parts and the shaded part will be the numerator. Okay. So let's move on. Now we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. What is a mixed fraction? First, let us understand what is a mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is made up of a whole number plus a proper fraction. Okay, so a mixed fraction is made up of a whole number as well as a proper fraction. So I hope you know how to write the mixed fraction. If not, let's see how do we write a mixed fraction. We'll learn the conversion after some time, but let's see how do we write the mixed fraction. Okay. 3, 1 by 4. In this 3, 1 by 4, This 3 is the whole number. This 1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Okay, and this 1 by 4 is also a proper fraction. For what you want to take a picture? Okay, what do you want to represent? See, if you want, you can take the picture. I have just changed the screen. If you want, you can take the picture. How you represent it. Quickly take the picture so that we can move forward. Yes, you can take the picture so that we can move forward. Yes. Now, okay, very good, Mahi. You have represented a mixed fraction. 3, 4 by 9. Very well done. Okay, so now we know that a mixed fraction is made up of a whole number as well as a proper fraction. Okay, so now we want to learn about how do we convert these mixed fraction to improper fraction. What are the different ways to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction? So don't worry now. Why have we written this? Don't worry now. This D represents denominator, denominator. This W represents whole number and this N represents numerator. Okay, so what do we have to do this? What do we have to do to all these? We are going to multiply the denominator with the whole number and add the answer with the numerator and divide it by the denominator. So if I have 3 1 by 4, which is the denominator? 4 is the denominator. Okay, this is the denominator. This is the whole number and this one is the numerator. Very good, Thea. Your example is also perfectly all right. We are going to convert that also. Now we are going to do the conversion. We have to convert this into improper fraction. Denominator into whole number. Denominator into whole number. 3, 4 multiplied by 3. 4 multiplied by 3 is what? 12. And that 12 has to be added to 1. Okay, so this is 12 and 12 plus 1 is what? 13. So we'll write 13 by 4. See how we have converted the mixed fraction to the improper fraction. Mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay, so Thea has given me one question. 2, 2 by 4. Let's convert this also. 2, 2 by 4. So here we are going to multiply 4 into 2. What is 4 into 2? 8. And that 8 has to be added to 2, the numerator. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we have 10 by 4 as the improper fraction. Very good. So Tia, see, I have done your question over here. Okay. So 1 3 by 4. Okay. 13 by 4 is your answer. Yes, Kushi. Very good. Very well done. Perfectly all right. We are going to do some more questions now. So I hope you have understood how to convert the mixed fraction to the improper fraction. Just keep in mind, don't worry now is the line which we can remember to, so that we don't get confused over here. D stands for denominator, W stands for whole number, and N stands for numerator. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for the idea. Actually, we make the things easy for you. We always have the target that we make the things easy for you, and it's very simple. So you can write this down, don't worry now, and you can write what each letter, first letter of each of the word represents, so that you can do it whenever you want and you don't get confused. Okay. So it is not 12 by 4, Khushi, it's 13 by 4. We have to add the numerator also. So now we have some questions. Let's do it. Students, 2 3 by 7. 2 3 by 7 is the first question we are going to do. Let's try out. Let me see who is the first one who is going to tell me the answer for this question. 2 3 by 4, 2 3 by 7. 2 3 by 7. Quick, 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 students, you have understood how to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Quickly multiply the denominator with the whole number and add the answer to the numerator. 7 multiplied by 2. 7 multiplied by 2. What's the answer? 7 multiplied by 2 plus 3. Okay. I think Khushi will be the first one who is going to answer. Is it so, Khushi? Quickly do it. Quickly do it. Yes. Waiting for all of you to give me the answer. Girls, 17 by 7. Yes, Khushi is the first one to answer. Okay. So we have multiplied 7 and 2 and we have got 14 over here, and then we have added this 14 to this 3. We get 17. 17 by 7. Very good. Okay. Yes, Mahi, surely I'm going to do your question also. I'm going to write this question over here. 3, 4 by 9. We are going to solve this also. Okay. And the next one also, 3 4 by 5. How do we read this? 3 4 by 5. 3 is the whole number, 4 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. Quickly multiply the denominator with the whole number and add the answer to the numerator, and that's how we get it. This is 15 and plus 4 is 19. 19 by 5, and I can see Khushi is again the first one to answer this. Very well done, Khushi. So girls, girls and boys, all the students, I'm going to give you more and more questions. But before that, let's solve what is there in the screen. Okay. and I'm going to solve all your questions, really. Okay, so Mahi, just quickly solve the questions given on the screen. Quickly solve the questions and give me the answer. So two answers I've got. For this one, I've got 17 by 7, which is absolutely correct. And this one, 19 by 5. This one is also correct. Okay, so I think Mahi wants me to solve her question first. So 3, 4 by 9 is her question. So okay, Mahi, no worries. I'm going to solve your question first. 3, 4 by 9. So I'm going to multiply 9 into 3, which is 27, and going to add this 4. Okay, so this is 31 by 9. Yes, see, Mahi, Khushi has also solved your answer, your question, and she has got Khushi. It's not 31 by 6. Okay, you are doing this one. For this, you have given 31 by 6. I am solving this 3, 4 by 9. Hmm. Yes, for this one, it is 31 by 6. Very good. Perfect. 31 by 6 is not 31 by 7, Thea. Have a look into the question. One is 31 by 6, the other one is 31 by 9. And 19 by 5. Yes, Thea, second one, 19 by 5 is correct. Very good. Okay. The last one we are going to do over here, 31 by 6 is also correct, Thea. 4, 8 by 9. Let's do this one. 4 whole number 8 by 9. 4 whole number 8 by 9. Let's do this question. 4 whole number 8 by 9. So who is going to be the first one to answer this? The, the students present over here are super active. You know, you all are really super active. So you all are going to answer it in minutes, I know. Quickly answer the last one. 4, 8 by 9. Okay, so the answer here is 9 into 4 is 36. We get 36 over here, and we are going to add this 36 to 8. So 36 plus 8 is 44 by 9 is your correct answer. 44 by 9. Mahi, just check out your answer. 36 plus 8 is 44. It is 44, dear. 41 has to be corrected. You have to do the correction for this. Okay. So you all did a wonderful job. Really. You all did a wonderful job. You all are uh, superb, I can say. Yes. And you have achieved today's goal of learning the representation of improper fraction visually and converting the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Very well done. Very well done, all the students. So we are going to meet again in the next class. Till then, keep on practicing fractions and keep on doing lot of work so that you score very good marks in your test, and you are going to give your term test also. So you are going to have a lot of learnings to do. So be patient, be calm, keep yourself hydrated, have a lot of water, and keep on studying. That is a wish ma'am is making for you, that you stay healthy the whole week until we meet next again. Okay, and keep on studying hard. So how was the session and how much did you learn? You can comment in the chat box. You can comment in the chat box. And by the time, goodbye, see you again. I had a wonderful time with all of you. Thank you.